Okay, let's do this.
I mean, I'm still working at 20%, uh, but it's much less than 100, and it feels quite liberating. You don't think about work. You just think about what we should do today, what activities, what foods we should try out, where are we going. It's way different than the typical 9 to 5 going to work, and it's the change of pace is much appreciated.
For me, I think the best part with not working is that I feel like I don't have things that I must do or like have to do. I feel like I'm not using these kind of words in the same manner as I used to. I don't feel forced into doing stuff. Like of course I'm working a lot with this Instagram account, but it's more like fun. I feel passionate about it, and I feel like I have cut off work completely. I hope that during this journey I find something that really passionates me and that I can find maybe other ways to earn money. So maybe I won't go back to work. I don't know. Let's see.